Have you ever visited the circus? Where was the tent of circus set up? How far it was from your house? How did you know about the circus? At what time did you go to see the circus? Tell me the name of the circus that you visited. What was its entrance ticket? With whom did you go there? How did you feel there? What type of animals were there? Which animal attracted you very much? How did the jockeys entertain you? Which was the most thrilling action? Which was the most dangerous scene in the circus? Which item did you like the most? Why did you like this item? What was the role of elephants in the circus? Did you see the jeep and motorcycle jump? What did you do during the interval? Is it right to use the animals in the circus? What do you think about animals? Thank you.